Get it.
Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel.
She ruined it. Okay, anyways, today we're working on the Sneaky Cat. We finally got the washer fluid tank in. It was actually only $66 online, so I thought it'd be more expensive, but I guess not. So we're gonna swap that in. If you don't know why, it's because the methanol was tapped into this tank, and rather than trying to seal it, which I did and it didn't work, we're just gonna swap a new tank in. And what else?
What else are we doing today?
Yeah, I don't know. What are we doing?
Well,
I cheated, right?
he cheated, guys, but not on me.
On my diet.
On his diet.
So, if you can't tell by my voice, I've been sick all weekend, which sucks. This last week, I've been waking up at 4 a.m. every day, and I'm not really used to waking up that early. I'm used to waking up at like 6, 5:30. But I got a new client, so I've been waking up at 4 a.m. and I'm used to going to bed around 12 or 1. Plus, I've been dieting and doing cardio 6 days a week. And when you actually work a job all day, unlike some of these other people that diet, your body just shuts down. So instead of tapering my calories down, I kind of just like jumped really low. So my body kind of shut down, so I'm really sick this weekend. What was that?
It's a bug.
Oh my gosh, she's jumping. Jeez. So, yes, I did cheat on my diet yesterday because I felt like shit. I didn't want to cook anything that fit my calories, and honestly, my body kind of needed a refeed. It's really low. Like my leptin levels are probably really low. My glycogen storage is really low, and my body has just shut down. And Kenny doesn't know anything that I'm saying right now.
You don't know that. Don't believe him.
So, no, I didn't cheat on Kennedy, but I cheated on my diet, and that's okay, because once I'm feeling better, which hopefully by tomorrow I will be, we'll be back on the diet, back on the cardio. Anyways, let's install this washer fluid tank. So the first nut Kennedy is going to loosen is down there. It's a 10 millimeter, so she's going to loosen that one. The wheel well comes out too far, so it's a little bit easier to use a wrench, actually. And then once you get it loose enough where you can hand get it, it'll just be easier to take it off by hand so you don't drop it.
Okay.
So while she's loosening that up, let me show you guys this. I'm going to show you just a little bit. I don't want to give it all away, but you probably know what it is. Look at these. Oh. Oh my gosh. So these will go. They're like demon tires. Oh, I just kicked my car. Sick.
If I kicked your car, you know how mad you'd be right now?
Look at that. Hold on. Look at that. Alright, then there's another 10 millimeter down there. Got that one off. So there's another 10 millimeter way back there, so we got 2 extensions on it. Jenny just broke something. Just kidding. Alright, so that took a lot longer than expected, but there it is. So actually the bracket holding the oil cooler, need to get out of the way and just drop it from the bottom. That was a pain in the ass for this piece of shit plastic. Alright, time to put the new one in. Alright, so the new one's in, we're just tightening everything up. But it's in there. Now we have a washer fluid in case it rains.
Okay, so now David is hanging the oil cooler and oil cooler bracket back up to get the tank in there.
Yep, tank's already in there. I had to remove the oil cooler and the oil cooler bracket to get the tank out.
Yeah. A little complicated, but we got it. It's falling.
Alright, so actually this one sensor wasn't the same plug style, so we just took it from the OEM tank and swapped it over. So we took the one out of here and swapped it over. Fit perfectly. But that's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it.
Make sure you always comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me at Kennedy McCall on Instagram, Facebook.
No, it's at Bambi39. We'll see you guys on the next one.